don't fall. Definitely lost. So I wasn't actually planning on making a video today, but then this happened. Not a cloud in the sky. So I gathered up all my stuff really quick, grabbed my camera bag, threw it in the car, drove to this spot, because I wouldn't be able to sleep tonight if I didn't at least try and throw the drone up and get some banger shots of this whole area as part of my sort of whistle-stop tour of all the banger spots in North Wales. I feel like I might already be a little bit late to the party because the sun is kind of going down. So I've only got about, I'd say about 10 minutes to climb this mountain. So let's go do that. That one's too steep. That. Anyway, I made it to the top of this mountain. Let me show you. Alright, so it's time for a game of can I land the drone on my camera bag without crashing it? I think we already know the answer. Short answer, no. Well, that was nice. Ooh, don't fall. Alright, so real talk now. I know that no one has like a burning question and thinks, do you know where I'll go to get the answer? This guy's YouTube channel. I understand that. Whoa! But today, I want to ask the real questions now. So, real talk now. Sunrise or sunset for photography and videography? I think there's a clear winner personally, but I'd be interested to know what you think in the comments below. For me, it's sunrise. All day, every day of the week. Okay, so reason number one why I prefer sunrise: there's never anybody else around, so you can get to the best spots. Drone shots and stuff. Hair mouth. Drone shots, you're never battling with having like loads of people in the shot or whatever. Another reason why I prefer sunrise, and I heard this on a Joe Rogan podcast recently, somebody said that they love to get out and run in the morning while everyone else is still asleep, because it feels like a cheat code. Like it feels like they're getting like an advantage over everybody else, because by the time everyone's waking up, they've already achieved something, and I feel like that's dope. There's nothing better than driving home at like 9, 10 a.m. in the morning after like a full sunrise shoot, and you feel like you've already achieved something with your day. Definitely lost. Woo. Woo. Alright, for real though, let me know, sunrise or sunset, which one do you prefer? So cheers for coming to hang out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, consider subscribing to the channel. I'm doing like a bit of a tour in North Wales now the travel ban's lifted, to shoot loads of banger spots at sunrise is the plan. So if you want to follow along with that, then make sure you subscribe. I am very, very lost. If I make it back, I'll hopefully catch you in the next one.